Look at this. Soft, juicy apples, bubbling in warm cinnamon and sugar, topped with a golden, crunchy crumble. Imagine breaking through that crispy top and seeing all that sweet, syrupy apple filling, and now picture it with a scoop of melting vanilla ice cream on top. Can you smell it? Can you see it? Stay with me. I'll show you exactly how to make this irresistible fall dessert from scratch, and I'll share all my little secrets along the way. Take a glass bowl and add half a cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, a 1/4 cup brown sugar, about 3/4 of a cup of rolled oats, 6 tablespoons unsalted butter cut into cubes. Mix everything with your hands. If you're short on time, pulse it in a chopper for a few seconds. I like doing it naturally. Press the butter between your fingers so it starts to melt. When it looks crumbly like this, the topping is ready. Step 2, prepare the apples. I have 3 red apples. You can add green apples too if you like. Slice them, remove the seeds, and transfer to a clean bowl. Add 1/2 tablespoon corn flour, 2.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, one-half teaspoon lemon zest, one tablespoon lemon juice, one-half teaspoon vanilla extract. Toss everything so the spices coat the apple slices evenly. It already smells amazing. Step 3, assemble the crisp. Grease a baking dish with butter. Transfer the coated apples to the dish. Add 2 tablespoons of cubed unsalted butter on top. Then, sprinkle the crumble evenly over the apples. This layer ensures even cooking and prevents the apples from burning. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 50-55 minutes until the top is golden and the apples are bubbling. Look at that golden top and bubbling filling. It's ready. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or whipped cream and dust with cinnamon powder. This dessert is so good, you'll pause just to enjoy it. Let yourself savor it fully. Make it for your family and friends, and don't forget to tell me in the comments how your apple crisp turned out. Thanks for watching, take care, and happy cooking.